Hello YouTube viewers, this is Krishna from CK Hacking Tutorials with its first video about ethical hacking and laying out the basics. So talking about ethical hacking, hacking means taking advantage of the vulnerability of a network or bundle of networks and computers connected in them. So talking about ethical hacking is like an ocean. The more you go deep, the more you learn about it and its dark sides. So talking about ethical hackers, there are three types of hackers. The first one is that the legal hacker or the white hat. So what this guy does means he does it for a renowned company. So what he does that he hacks into the system with the prior permission of the company and then gives a report to the company that in which area of security is the system weak. Like your antiviruses are weak and your firewall's gone. So kind of like that. So coming to the second point, the other one, the illegal hacker, the black hat. So what this guy does means he hacks into the same computer but does it for his personal and for his illegal desires. So what he does that means he hacks into the data. He steals the files, images, documents, all gone. So what he can also control your computers and in your actions and monitor you completely just like that. So talking about the third one, so you might be asking that Krishna, what type are you? So I would tell you that I am a grey hat. So that's the third one. So what I do is I do it as a part-time, like first half of the day, like first half of the day I do it for my I do it for the company's welfare, and the second part I do it for my professional personal desires. So talking about ethical hacking again, ethical hacking has many parts like network hacking, Wi-Fi hacking, WPA, WPS, all the other stuff, and computer system hacking, Android phone hacking. All these things can be learned very clearly in my channel. So you might have guessed that. If you are guessing, then that's true. I'll be teaching you every single form of illegal penetration testing, but as I told you that this is illegal, but don't do it for illegal purposes. Just do it for knowledge purposes. Just know that what it is. If we at least get a glance of that thing, then we will be getting idea of what will be what will be we doing to prevent that. Only if we know about the medicine and invent it, we can know about the cure, right? So because our countries are developing one, and we have seen physical wars and even bio war that is happening right now, and the next stage, the advanced will be the cyber war. So to take part in it and fight against other bugs, you gotta be ready, buddies. So in my channel, I'll be teaching you how you can hack into hack into a computer system and then get its files, data, and all those stuff. So I'm warning you again and again and again. Please do not do it for illegal purposes. It is only for knowledge purposes, and if you do it and if you do for illegal purposes, then I'll not be responsible for that. I'm telling you at the first. So okay, so talking about illegal hacking, you might get very bored, because talking about Macs, you get bored. Like hacking is very similar to Macs. Every step is important to get your desired result, right? So until then, stay tuned, stay safe, and please wait for my next video on USB file stealer. So I'll be teaching you in the next video about that. So until then, it is CK Hacking Tutorials of your hearts and Krishna. Bye.